How to integrate DevOps into your software development process. DevOps integration is a critical element of modern software development and delivery processes. It refers to the integration of development and operations teams, tools, and processes to create a more collaborative and efficient software development pipeline. The integration of these teams helps to break down silos and improve communication, resulting in faster and more reliable software releases. Nowadays, software development is much more than just creating web apps. Having better servers, and providing an awesome user experience is the need of the hour. It is an ideology that emphasizes creating cross-functional teams consisting of both developers and members from the operations teams that handle the deployment and testing of the developed products. This approach encourages better communication between various stakeholders of the projects and also assists in faster development and release of products. The DevOps approach is a much better way to develop software than the age-old waterfall model, where software is deployed at last. DevOps is needed when product testing is conducted manually at specific intervals, and they keep on failing. After knowing why DevOps is needed, you might have understood the importance of adopting this approach, and you'd be looking to integrate it into your development process. In earlier times, having dedicated teams would do the work, but things have changed in the development industry. Today you cannot have an entire team of software engineers who just code and build products day in and day out. On the other hand, you can also not have entire teams of testers or operations team members that test and deploy apps into production. When you have such dedicated teams, there is very little or almost no communication during the development of the product, which is harmful to the output. In most cases, when companies adopt DevOps, they often move from on-premise servers to cloud service providers. When incorporating DevOps into your software development methodologies, you must clearly explain the shared objective or vision that guides the work of your teams. When your teams understand and share the same mission, they will be more productive. You also need to change the development approach that you follow. You may not get great results if you end up integrating DevOps in a software project where you are using a waterfall development approach. Continuous integration and continuous delivery tools are at the center of DevOps implementation for all businesses. Such tools provide ways to integrate all builds into a single branch of your code repository, from where it can be sent for testing and deployment. Once the continuous integration tool integrates and creates a build with the latest changes, the automated testing phase begins, and if it goes well, deployment starts. When you integrate DevOps, you also need to include continuous deployment tools which will deploy your builds automatically on the servers. There are several CI/CD tools in the market, and you need to understand what works well for your environment. DevOps is a great approach that helps you move faster and build better software products. Today, it is important for every company to integrate DevOps into their software development process. If you are looking to integrate this approach, we have also discussed a step-by-step approach to doing so. You can follow that and get started with DevOps in your projects.